I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that in the shadow of the sudden geopolitical risks in Gaza, economic markers are generally positive, but the chances of more rate rises seem to be receding. US mortgage applications were steady last week, little change from the prior week, so still 19% lower than year-ago levels, which was when the downtrend started biting hard. Meanwhile, their benchmark 30-year mortgage interest rate rose to 7.67%, and a new high since 2000. American producer prices came in just 2.2% higher than a year ago in September. This was up marginally from August, and analysts had expected a small slip. They rose 0.5% from the prior month, however, the least in 3 months, following a 0.7% rise in August. And the US Fed released the minutes of its September 21st meeting today. That showed a new but small disagreement in the rate hold decision, although all voting members were agreed. Several want to shift the focus of the decisions to how long to keep the rates high rather than how high to raise them. But all indications are that there will be no change again in November. There was little initial market reaction to this release. Across the Pacific, Japanese machine tool orders rose sharply in September from August, even though they remain low on a year-on-year basis. The rise was especially sharp for orders from local manufacturers, although export orders jumped as well. And Taiwanese exports rose 3.4% in September from August, when a slip of 3% was expected, a much better outcome than anticipated. In China, car sales rose in September to well over 2.5 million vehicles in the month, a good sign their manufacturing sector is stabilising. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today down 5 basis points from yesterday at 4.61%, but the price of gold will start today at just on $1,873 an ounce. That's up another $11 from yesterday. But oil prices have fallen $1.50 to just over $83 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just on $86 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 60.2 US cents and down 20 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're still at 94 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 10 basis points to 56.8 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 70.2, which is back 10 basis points from yesterday. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.